Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Jawad Hassan and I'm preparing these videos for our group uh, ASP.NET MVC Code First. And as you remember that I have one more series on the same channels about where we are building an application, ASP.NET MVC application step by step, our HAS events application to manage the events. But this is the time actually I thought of a little bit of break from there. And in the previous weeks, I was working on some of the other technologies as well. And just to prove some concepts there and to realize the communication between those components, I thought of building this one conceptual application. And actually, I'm not much planning of it. The structure will define based on the requirement what we will set up. But the main idea here is to build the application for which use SignalR, ASP.NET MVC Code First, Windows services, and MSMQ. You can use it in whatever scenario you would like to. But actually, idea is that I would like to send one message from my MVC application using SignalR. No, sorry, using Microsoft Message Queue. This will be the pipeline to a Windows service. And this Windows service, because we are sending on the via MSMQ, currently it's and actually as per the structure which I am thinking, this will be on my local machine, but you can imagine it that it could be anywhere else on any other server or any place. But this MSMQ, which will receive this event, this is also my local machine, but you can send this message to any other place, any other application, and your Windows service could be hosted at one machine, your message queue will be hosted at another machine, or they could be on the same machine. It's up to you how you want to structure it. So what I will be doing, I will be sending a simple message via Microsoft Message Queue from an ASP.NET MVC application, and a service will be running on continuously in the background, and it will be monitoring that particular queue where I am sending the message. So once it is read from that queue, then the service will get necessary instructions, and it will start some processing. At the processing, you want to send some result back to this MVC application. So when service do the job, and now we actually hear from the backward because you need to tell the website and if we speak that the user who initiated this request that something has finished, you have to provide some feedback. So here we will be used SignalR as a mechanism to post it back to our web application. And again, will be currently on my local host, but actually you can host it anywhere you like it. All these components will be loosely coupled. And this is the idea, just to see that if these things work out, if this concept works out, to send a message to a service, let service do the job and signal back that, okay, I am done, or whatever, some error happened, whatever you like. You can send emails from service, sky's the limit. So about this application, actually, I have, as I mentioned earlier, was working on some tasks, and I came across a little bit to these technologies, and a lot of online videos helped me a lot. And I did a little bit research. I went to the official website, there are many authors, and some parts actually were discussed about the whole scale application, but our proof of concept will be simple. And if there is any particular technology, and we will try to keep things simple in this project, because if you want to, you can build a universe on this concept, but for us, we just want to prove some concept. And there are official website about all the these technologies. You can go there. Common practices. There are tons of stuff there if you want to particularly interested in any one of those. Actually, I sometimes to make some proof of concept, I work along on some other application. So I have some already general purpose code written. So if you are logging or doing some stuff, So I don't need to, talk about the logging itself. So I will simply take that code, which is actually common code, and I will simply shortly go through it. So we have idea a little bit, but not in depth, because that's not about logging we are interested right now. So like that, so some of those concepts we will use. I will simply copy and paste the code. And if you want some more detail in that, you can ask me then later. Anytime you can email me or somehow reach me, or we can discuss it on the group as well. It's not a big deal. So let's start. Actually, I would try to keep this one okay up to now here, and let's in the next video talk about the basic solution and project structure, and let's see what we come up at the end. So we will just slowly and gradually move. So we discuss about what we are heading to. Okay, thank you.